And we're finally back to the hotel, or at the beach near the hotel. And it's time for last swim of the day. It is 7:30 p.m. and yeah, my legs are burning. So far 37,000 steps, and I walked along the beach barefoot, of course, so that's even harder than walking by walking in nice running shoes, for example. It is what it is. We have a bit of seaweed today. And there's my hotel, Sunwing. Very nice hotel. High standard. It's apartment-based hotel. So you have like a kitchen. You can cook some food or eat if you choose not to take the buffet in the hotel. And yes, I have the best sea view possible from the 5th floor. So looking forward to chill with some salad on the balcony later. So let's take the last swim for today. I think it's the 4th one, if I'm not mistaken. Or 5th if I count the midnight swim yesterday. 1 a.m. swim. So yeah, day 1 was pretty much great. Super sunny most of the times, with a little bit of clouds. 28 degrees was the maximum outdoor temperature. And I was walking all the way to Can Picafort, and you can see in the distance over there. And yeah, it was 10 kilometers one way and 10 back, so approximately 20 kilometers at least walked. So yeah, let's dive in. Let's not wait anymore. Let's dive in right away. Woohoo! Amazing. Super nice. Warm. Marvelous. Indeed. Alright, I'm gonna take a lot longer swim than this video. So yeah, have a good one and see you tomorrow on another beach day here in Mallorca. Bye!